Good morning, children. Today we will be starting with the new chapter of Geography, the Southern Plateau. In this lesson, you will learn about the Southern Plateau, its location and physical features, its people, their dress, language, and festival. The Southern Plateau. To the south of the northern plain lies the vast Southern Plateau of India. As you can see in the map, it is a triangular in shape and covers a large part of India. The land here is rocky and uneven. The southern plateau is bordered by the following: the Aravalli Range on the northwest, the Rajmahal Hills on the northeast, the hilly region called the Eastern Ghats on the east, the hilly Western Ghats on the west. The Narmada Valley divides the southern plateau into two parts. To the north is the Central Highland and to the south is the Deccan Plateau. The Central Highlands. The Central Highland include the Malwa Plateau in the northwest and the Chota Nagpur Plateau in the northeast. The Malwa Plateau lies between the Aravalli Hills and the Vindhya Hills. It includes part of Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. The Chota Nagpur Plateau includes much of Jharkhand and part of Odisha, Bihar, and Chhattisgarh. The Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau, it bound by the west and the eastern Ghat. It covers parts of Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. The rivers in Deccan Plateau are not fed by melting snow like the rivers of the northern plain. They are fed by rain. Therefore, they have very little water during the summer months. If the rainfall is not good, they may even have dry up during summers. Such rivers are called seasonal rivers. Life in the Southern Plateau. The Southern Plateau region covers a vast area and hence the climate of the soil vary from place to place. The region experiences very heavy rainfall. However, the climate is moderate in the region. It is neither too hot nor too cold. Maharashtra. Maharashtra is located in the northwestern part of the Deccan Plateau. Its capital is Mumbai, an important trade and industrial center. Mumbai is also the biggest center for film production in India. Some other important cities of Maharashtra are Pune, Nasik, Nagpur, Aurangabad, and Solapur. Godavari and Krishna are the two important rivers in the state. Maharashtra is the largest producer of cotton and the second largest producer of sugarcane in India. The state also produces fruits such as grapes, oranges, and bananas. The oranges of Nagpur are very famous. Textile, automobile, and electronics are also some important industries in Maharashtra. Karnataka. Towards the south of Maharashtra lies Karnataka. Its capital is Bangalore and is called the Garden City. Mysore, Hubli, and Dharwad are the important cities of Karnataka. Krishna and Kaveri are the important rivers of the state. Andhra Pradesh. To the northeast of Karnataka is Andhra Pradesh. Hyderabad currently serves as the joint capital of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Andhra Pradesh is the largest producer of tobacco. Hyderabad is an important center for software development. Telangana. The state of Telangana was formed in June 2014. Its capital is Hyderabad. The other important cities in the states are Warangal, Karimnagar, Nizamabad, and Khammam. Tamil Nadu. To the south of Andhra Pradesh lies the state of Tamil Nadu. Its capital is Chennai. Heavy engineering, textiles, and handlooms are some well developed industries in the state. Chennai is an important software and development center. Madhya Pradesh. The capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. The textile industry in Madhya Pradesh is well developed. Large areas in the state are covered with forest. Chhattisgarh. The capital of the state is Raipur. The land, particularly the Mahanadi basin, is very fertile. The state is very rich in minerals such as coal, iron ore, aluminium ore, and diamonds. Bhilai has one of the India's biggest steel plants. So today we have learned about the southern plateau is a triangular in shape and the land is rocky and uneven. It covers parts of Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. It is divided by Narmada Valley and Central Highland and the Deccan Plateau. The Central Highland include the Malwa Plateau and the Chota Nagpur Plateau. The Deccan Plateau has several rain-fed rivers and waterfalls. The states in the region are rich in minerals and have well-developed industry. Most states in the region have black soil, which is good for cotton and sugarcane. Thank you.